Tom and the box. Tom has a box. The box has locks. He hides it with socks. Tom loves his box. Bob and the dog. Bob has a dog. The dog sits on a log. It jumps over a bog. Bob walks with his dog. Rob and the mop. Rob grabs a mop. He cleans up a drop. The mop lands with a plop. Rob likes his mop. Don and the pot. Don stirs the pot. The soup is hot. He tastes a lot. Don loves his pot. Ron and the top. Ron spins a top. It goes flip flop. It spins until it stops. Ron cheers for the top. Dot and the sock. Dot has a sock. It hangs on a rock. She checks the clock. Dot picks up the sock. Moss and the frog. Moss sees a frog. It hops off the log. It lands in the fog. Moss smiles at the frog. Fox and the cob. A fox sees a cob. It is by a knob. The cob is for a job. The fox takes the cob.